two syllables. They have given scale-up considerations of solids, scale-up considerations of liquids, and scale-up considerations of semi-solids. Okay, so scale-up considerations of solids means what are the examples of solids? Powders, tablets, everything are the examples of the solids. Coming to the liquids, syrups, solutions are comes under liquids. Semi-solids means it comes like gels, ointments, all these comes under semi-solids. So, if you guys, if you want to establish a scale up for tablets, that means for solid dosage forms. So, what are the scale up considerations you have to take into your mind? What are the scale up considerations take into your brain? Okay, so those considerations we have to learn now. Okay, so here the topic starts with the pilot plant design for tablets. So it comes under solid dosage form. So next slide. So the next slide says you that the primary responsibility of the scale up is that staff. Okay, the person who you are recruiting, I already told you they must be like an eligible candidate. Okay, they must be an eligible candidate. Okay, I told you that who have discontinued the studies, those should not be do the job in the scale up. Even if it's small scale, experienced and well eligible candidates must be there in the pilot plant. Okay, so and the next one says the design and construction of the pharmaceutical pilot plant for developing a tablet, that is solid dosage form, that must be necessary to maintain properly. Okay, they should be maintained properly, and that plant must be like very clean, and equipment should be there, every equipment relevant to the tablet, like tablet compression machine, okay, friability, disintegration apparatus, dissolution apparatus, every equipment must be there in the scale-up industry, scale-up plant for manufacturing a tablet. You don't think that it's not a large scale, madam, no need of any equipment. No. For the scale up also you require all these equipments. Okay, this is the first main consideration. The first main consideration is the proper person, eligible person, and proper equipment, proper cleanliness, proper maintenance. Okay, and the next one is, if possible, they should be located on the ground floor. Okay, the equipment or the pilot plant regarding to the solid considerations, they should be present in the ground floor. Okay, why the delivery and shipment process would be very easy. If you want to take any raw material, if you want to take any excipients, it is very easy when the equipment is set in the ground floor. Or else if you want to ship, if you want to go for shipment, then it is very easy if it is in the ground floor. Okay, coming to the next slide. Next slide tells you about what? It continues that there should be some features to run a pilot plant, preferably for the solid considerations. Okay, what is the first point? It says about fluorescent lighting must be there. Okay, and secondly, the various operating systems should be cleaned. Okay, and third, the area must be air conditioned. ACs must be there. Okay, and next, the walls must be like made up of cement. It should not made up of any plastic or iron or something else. The wall should be made up of cement. And the equipment should be like, it should work properly, and they should be in a proper condition. Okay, coming to the next slide. These are the pictures. Okay, like where you have to place the equipment, where you have to place the excipients, where you have to place the raw materials, everything this gives you pictures. Okay, so this is the weighing area. You have weighing area in the lab. So this is the weighing area, and this is the stored area for drugs, and this is quarantine area, you can see, and this is the manager's office. Okay, and this is the conference room and library. I told you library must be there. Okay, if you have any doubts, you have to go to the library and you have to refer. Okay, and it is packaging area, to pack the products, packaging area, and you have coating area, you know tablets we coat it, right? So coating area must be there. And what is that? Tablet compression area, and also granulation area, and blending area, and cleaning area. And here comes spray dryer, and here comes milling area, and here comes drying area. So different areas must be there. Okay, in packaging area you should not do production. In packaging area you should do only packaging. Okay, coming to the next slide. This also tells you this is the compression, tablet compression area, floor plan for small pilot plant for tablet developing. Okay, so you want compression area, again coating area, and weighing area, granulation, drying, milling. Okay,